CryptoEL here. In today's video, really quick, I'm gonna show you the drip.haus. Go into the link in the description and use my code. You can join only by having an invite code. If you don't have one, you have to pay, I think, 0.1 Solana, but if you don't want to pay it, you can use my code. And when you join it, it's one account per user. So if you already have, don't do it again. If you do it now, don't do it in another browser or wallet. Just be careful, because this thing, from my point of view, have big potential. And I think in the future, those NFTs that I'm gonna show you, they will have at least some potential. So this thing is pretty easy. You're just simply subscribing to some kind of collections, like just a regular collections of people that are doing NFTs, illustrations, arts, and simply in this platform you have this thing called droplets. Every couple, just click claim your droplets, and every 6 hours you will have some random amount of droplet. With those droplets, you are paying for the NFTs that you are receiving. I'm gonna show you in a bit. I have all of those completely for free. The NFTs, those. You see, every single one of those. I don't know if they're worth anything, but some of them probably will have potential. Yeah, I have those from some games. A lot of completely free NFTs. Also, there is something else. Every, I think, 12 hours or something, you have this lock-in. See the cool animation, PlayStation 1 or something. Legendary lock-in. So open the chest for a chance to lock in a legendary or rare for the next week showcase drop. So you are receiving, just go to the chest, and if you got legendary or rare, I didn't got anything today, you can walk around a little, and sometimes it will drop you a legendary one or something. I had some, not sure where they are, but they are giving you access to some things, to some platforms, to some airdrops. It's crazy. I got actually yesterday, where it was an access to one platform. I'm gonna talk about in the next video probably about it, but it's pretty interesting, and this gives free opportunities for earning money potentially. So kinda that was it. Don't miss it. You can see it in here, in the where it is in learn, don't know, but somewhere in here you probably have drip in the Solana wallet. So if you didn't register it already, do it, because there is a potential and it's completely free. Why not? See, I have 133 collectibles, and I joined when? On January. Oh yeah, like 2 months ago. And yeah, like you can see, yeah, this thing, the legendary, and I got the thing about this platform. I'm gonna talk about it in the next video. Or someone start farming. See, I just received a way to start farming, access. Without it you cannot do it, and this thing will cost money. There will be an airdrop, and it's so big opportunities out of thin air, so don't miss the opportunity. Thank you for your time. See you soon.